q equals 16. Let's see when we divide each number or each length of side by its corresponding. We have here the smallest side 3, we put it here, and this one is 4, 3 over 4. Is it equal 10.5 over 14? Is it equal also 12 over 16? We will find the answer will be 75 or 7.5. This is 7.5. 3 over 4 equal 10.5 over 14 equal 12 over 16 equal 7.5. So the two triangles here are similar. What are the steps to answer this question? Put the three sides from triangle in order on the top. Put the three sides from other triangle in the bottom like that, but ascendingly. The smallest side here of the first, the smallest side here over the smallest side here equal the biggest one over the biggest one equal the biggest one over the biggest one. The ratio here will be the answer. Divide out each ratio and see if all three are or the three are the same. If so, the triangle are similar. Okay, therefore the triangle WXV similar to the triangle PRQ by SSS, which mean side, side, side. Okay, our dear students, we are going to a short break and we'll go again to. Hello again, my dear students. Let's verify the similarity of two triangles. If we have two triangles here, A, B, C, and this one, X, Y, Z, and we have each two corresponding angles, or at least two corresponding angles here. This angle equal in measure this angle, and this one equal the measure of this one. So the two triangles are similar. Similar by what? Similar by AA angles, which means two angles. Let's say about the arrangement of the two triangles. If we write the two triangles, we must write them correspondingly. That means that if we start saying the triangle as that, measure angle A equal measure angle X, so we write A and we write X. Okay, triangle A, triangle X. After A, we mention C. The corresponding to C is Z, and the corresponding of B here will be Y. Okay, so when we say about similarity, triangle ACB is similar to triangle XZY, and we put the sign of similarity here. And when we find out the sides, or we find the values of some sides, if we have AC equal 6 centimeter here, and this one equal 2 centimeter, BC equals 7, or we can write 9, and this one is 3, 12, and 4. If we divide AC over XZ here, AC over XZ will be 3, and CB over ZY will be 3 also, and BA over YX will be 3, then they are proportional. These three sides are proportional, and this 3 we call it scale factor. Scale factor. And from the ACB to XZY will be enlargement because 3 greater than 1. Okay, let's move to the next slide here. Yes. Yes, we have here another condition, to similarity of two triangles, side angle side similarity. We have here SAS. Look at these two triangles. We have measure angle X equal measure angle R, and we have XW here is proportional to RP, which is 3/4, and XV is proportional to RQ because they are 3/4. First, make sure that you have a pair of corresponding angles congruent, like X and R. Measure angle X equal measure angle R, or we can say the angle X is congruent to the angle R. Look at this proportional 3/4 here equal 12/16 equal 7.5, 0.75, or 3/4. Okay, this angle X equals this angle R, and it is included angle between the two sides WX and XV, and this angle R is included between PQ and RQ. That's the secret, that SAS, side angle side. The angle here is included by the two sides which are proportional. So if we say, as example, measure angle X doesn't equal measure angle R, but measure angle W equal measure angle P will not similar, because the condition is the angle must be included angle between the two sides. Okay, put the two sides from the triangle, put the two sides from the other triangle, and we will have divide out each ratio, and the ratios will be equal. Therefore, triangle WXV similar to triangle PRQ by SAS, which means side angle side. Let's move to the second example. We have a triangle LKM. LK equals 18, the length equal 18 centimeter, LM 15, and KM 6. We have a second one, RQ equals 30, RS equal 25, and QS equal 10 centimeters. We have to verify if they are similar or not. Yes. Test for SSS, because we have the three sides here known and three sides here are known also. Test about SSS similarity. We have the first triangle, we have 6, 15 and 18 sides. Look carefully for this. Divide by what? The smallest side here, which is KM equals 6 centimeter, must divide it by the 10 centimeter, which is QS, and 25 and 30. Notice that we start with 6, 15, 18 from the smallest to greatest, and here we also started with the smallest to greatest, 10, 25 and 30. We try to find out the ratio. It's 0.6, 0.6, 0.6, so they are proportional. Therefore, the two triangles will be similar. Yes, triangle KML is similar to triangle QSR by SSS similarity, or side similarity. Let's move the next example. We have two triangles as you see here in the figure. AC equals 6 centimeter, AD equals AD here from A to D equals 10 centimeter. Yes, so CD equal what? Think about it. If AD equals 10 centimeter and the part AC equals 6 centimeter only, so the remainder CD equals what? Think. Yes, and we have BC here equal 9 and BE equal 15. This part BE, the whole side here equals 15, and we have a part of it CB equals 9 centimeter. So think about the length of CE. Okay, we have 4 here for CD because 6 plus 4 equals 10, and we have that AC plus CD equals AD. Yes, look at EC. EC equals 6 centimeter because EB equals 15 centimeter and the part CB equals 9. 15 minus 9 equals 6 centimeter. And pay attention carefully for these two angles. Yes, you know vertical angles and are congruent. Yes, look at the angle ACB. It's congruent to the angle ECD because they are vertically opposite angles. Next, you know that the sides from angles, check SAS. Check SAS means check which angle we have here. Measure angle ACB equal measure angle ACD, and we have the included sides, the including sides for it, EC and CD 6 and 4, CA and CB 6 and 9. Yes, 4 and 6 for the first triangle here, triangle ECD, we have 4 and 6. Yes, then we have 6 from the second triangle CA 6, and we have 9 here from the triangle CAB, CB equal 9. Yes, equals what? 4 over 6. Yes, 4 over 6 here. If we simplify it, it's 2 over 3. And 6 over 9, it's 2 over 3 also. So they are equal. So yes, the triangle DCE is similar to triangle ACB by using the theorem SAS, or side included angle side. Let's move the example, this example also. Find the value of x, y, and the measure of the angle P if triangle TSV is similar to triangle QPR. Now the difference of this question that they give you, he gave me that the two triangles are similar already. Triangle TSV is similar to triangle QPR, and we have S here equals 86 degrees. The length of TS equal 4, SV equals X, QP equals 6, PR equal 9, and we have Y, which is unknown also. Let's see. Okay, back again. Yes, we will find x equal 6, y equal 10.5, and the angle P equal 86. It's no problem about this angle. Measure angle P here. Look at this. We have P in the middle. Measure angle P in the middle here equal measure angle S in the middle here. So measure angle S equal measure angle P equals 86. And y x equals 6 centimeter. Let's explain it here. We have the two triangles. Okay, this one Q, P, R, and the smallest one, TSV. The length of QP equals 6 centimeter. The length of TS equals 4. This is 9, and this is X. This is 7 centimeter, and this is Y. And he told me that the triangle TSV is similar to triangle QPR. Okay, let's go to the next step. We have the two triangles. TSV is similar to triangle QPR. So TS over QP must equal SV over PR, equal the third one, TV over QR. Let's go and try to substitute here. TS equal what? Where's TS? TS here equal 4 centimeter. And QP equals 6 centimeter. SV, where is SV? Equal X. Put here X. And PR is 9. TV here is equal 7. And QR is Y. We have studied from the last studying that if we have two ratios are equal, then they are proportional. That means that X can be given by, or we can reduce it by 4 multiplied by 9 divided by 6. 4 times 9 over 6. And Y equal 7 times 6 over 4. So you will find that X here equals 6 centimeter and Y here equals 10.5. You see now it's very easy for you, my dear students, to calculate this question. Okay, let's move to the second slide. We have example here. We have two trapezoids. A, B, C, D is the first one. Is similar to trapezoid P, Q, R, S. List all the pairs of congruent triangles and write the ratios of the corresponding sides in a statement of proportional. Yes, try to think and answer with me. The first, we have the angle A is congruent to the angle P. The angle B is congruent to the angle Q. The angle C is congruent to the angle R. The angle D is congruent to the angle S. And it's easy to see that AB over PQ equal BC over QR equal CD over RS, and the last one AD equals PS. Let's move to the second example. We have two triangles. The request is decide if the triangles are similar. We have 3 sides here. The triangle LMN 10.5, 18, 12, PQR 12, 4, and 9. Look at this. The triangles are not similar. Why? Let's explain to you. Here we are two triangles. And we have the sides of the two triangles 10.5, 18, 12. This is L, M, N, triangle. And we have this triangle, we called it P, Q, R, 9 centimeter here, 4 here, and 12 here. Okay? Let's use the method that we explain. We have here 3 sides and 3 fractions for them. Let's start with the triangle PQR. There is the smallest number here, 4, and after that 9, 12. 4, 9, 12. Let's move to the second triangle. We have the smallest side is 10.5, 12, and 18. Look carefully, and you can use your calculator to decide. We have here a fraction, 4 over 10.5. The answer will be 8 over 12. 8 over 21. And this one, 9 over 12. The answer will be 3 over 4. We needed to complete. We have found that sorry, 4 over 10.5 is equal to the ratio 8 over 21, and 9 over 12 will be 8 over 21, and here 3 over 4. Okay, this ratio doesn't equal okay. We have 4 over 10.5 here. The ratio equal 8 over 21, but 9 over 12 equals 3 over 4. So this ratio doesn't equal this ratio. So they are not proportional. So triangle LMN doesn't similar to triangle PQR. My dear students, we have seen that geometry and similarity especially is very easy and enjoyable to study. I am here with you, Abdul Nasser Gaber, and we have a wonderful team of Studio 12 in the Egyptian channel for education. Thank you very much. Until we meet again next week, so goodbye.